Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and I'm from usethebitcoin.com, and today I will be making a technical analysis of Bitcoin. All right. Now I want you guys to look at the blue line that you could see here. Okay. So that is when the Bitcoin halving happened. Okay. So that was last April 2024. Okay. And after the Bitcoin halving, it seemed like nothing much happened. Okay. Prices are still low. Okay, prices are consolidating and it looks quite boring, to be honest. Okay, and actually many people are also saying that the Bitcoin bull season is already over and we are already at the alt season. Okay, or you might be hearing other people saying that the real Bitcoin bull season happened earlier than the Bitcoin halving. Okay, so they were talking about the stage here. Okay, so they were saying that the Bitcoin bull season happened already. Or you might hear other people saying that they are so negative about this bull season. Okay, or they were so negative about this Bitcoin halving season. But let me show you something, guys. Okay, let's zoom out and look at our monthly time frame. So we have it here. Okay, and there you go, guys. You could see here different information about the previous Bitcoin halving. Okay, the first Bitcoin halving happened last November 2012. Okay, the next one was July 2016. Okay, next, the third was on May 2020. Okay, and the most recent was on April 2024. Okay, now here is the exciting part. I will turn on my RSI. There you go. Now look at this data. Okay, we reached the oversold levels last 2012. Okay, after the Bitcoin halving, prices went up and we reached the oversold levels here. Okay, it turned green. Now look at July 2016. Okay, after the Bitcoin halving, the blue line, okay, prices went up and we reached the oversold levels. Okay, that is also the same with May 2020. Okay, after the Bitcoin halving, prices went up and we reached the oversold levels here for RSI. It turned green. Okay, and now look at April 2024. We are far from the oversold levels. Okay, so we are only a month away from the Bitcoin halving, and yet many people are so negative about it. Okay, we are not even reaching the 70 levels here for our RSI, yet many people are so negative about this Bitcoin halving. Hello, can you see the potential here? Okay, we are breaking all-time highs. Okay, even the Bitcoin halving happened. Big institutions like the banks and other investment companies are now offering Bitcoin. Okay, they already approved the Bitcoin ETF, and many countries now are slowly accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment. Okay, many good things are already happening, and yet we are very far from the oversold levels here. Now, that is why it's really very important for us not to focus on the lower time frame, but rather look at the bigger picture. Okay, so this is why we have the saying that goes like this: when in doubt, zoom out. Okay, now for those of you guys who are really negative about this Bitcoin halving, or if you're negative about Bitcoin in general, then try to think again. Okay, I'm talking about factual data here. Okay, I'm talking about information that really happened before. Okay, and these data or these numbers could not lie. Okay, it really happened, and be excited because greater things are yet to come. Now let's start measuring the number of days from the start of the Bitcoin halving going to the peak of the bull season. Okay, so let's measure that. Okay, so from this line going to this line, roughly that's around 365 days. Okay, let's measure this one from this line, from the start of the Bitcoin halving going to the peak of the Bitcoin season. Okay, so that was around 518 days. Okay, and for this one, let's try to measure it from this line going to the peak. Okay, so that's roughly around 304 days. Okay, and if you're going to calculate it, let's say our average would be at around 1 year. Okay, so let's just say 365. Okay, so from this line going to this line, 365, then we could still enjoy the Bitcoin bull season up until April 2025. Okay. As what you can see, the movement of Bitcoin here is quite different compared to others because even before the Bitcoin halving, we were reaching greater heights here. Okay. And be excited for the next few days because something good will really happen here in Bitcoin. Okay. So maybe the number of days here would be different, but let's just say we will be having it at around 365. Okay. Then we still have a long way to go. Okay. We still have many days to enjoy this Bitcoin season. Okay. Just be excited about it. Just be patient. Okay, because Bitcoin might still go even lower. Okay, let's check the lower time frame. Now, if you're going to look at it, maybe Bitcoin could go even lower at around 64,000 levels, or maybe at around 60,000 levels, or worst, maybe lower than 55,000 levels. Okay, many things could still happen. But if you're just going to focus on the shorter time frame, okay, if you're going to focus on the daily time frame, you could not see the bigger picture right here. Okay? So it's better to think of the long-term results here for Bitcoin, guys. Okay? Again, we are still very far from the oversold levels. Okay? We still have around 365 days or more, okay, to enjoy this Bitcoin season. Okay? Be patient because many good things will still happen soon. So yeah, that would be all. Okay, so thank you so much again for watching. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, okay, or subscribe to our channel. And yeah, don't forget to visit our website again. That's usethebitcoin.com because we will be providing you with great information here. Okay, we are providing the latest news. We are providing you guys with the trending videos and many crypto articles. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to our website because we will be sending you those information directly to your inbox. All right, so until next time, have a great day. Peace out.